These are the CALAILIS Self Adhesive Lashes. They are the one-step pre-glued lash clusters. Now, I'm relatively new to lashes. I have a 50% success rate. Half the time with the strip, I love it. And the other half, I'm either having issues with the glue or I put it on incorrectly and it's agitating my eye. So I'm excited to try this kit. So you get the lashes and you also get an applicator. So if you take a look, I've already done my right eye, and this one I haven't done anything to. So I didn't put any mascara on. I did it exactly as the instructions said. So let's do the left eye together. So according to the instructions, they say to curl your lashes first. Just give it like a couple pumps. This is supposed to help it blend better together. Let me get a little bit closer so you can see the application. The instructions with grabbing the lashes are to not grab it at the top or at the base by the glue. Kind of want to get that bottom 1/3. And with this eye, I did 2 14s, 2 12s, and then 1 10. So I'm gonna try to repeat the same thing on the other eye. This is a size 14, and I'm gonna start on the outside of my eye. And I'm kind of pressing it onto my lashes, and that's the first one. Here's the second 14, and I'm gonna put it next to it without overlapping and still leaving 2 to 3 millimeters of space. Okay, so that's on. Now I'm gonna move to the 12s right next to it, leaving some space. Okay, I'm gonna grab one more 12. And I'm gonna finish it with a 10. So the final step is to take your applicator and pinch the cluster with your natural lashes. So I squeeze it, I let it open, and you see it kind of sticks to the top. I just gently lift it and it stays. Now I'm gonna do the outside, just squeezing, let it open, and then gently lift from the top. So this is the finished look. I tried to go for that cat eye. That's why I put the longer ones on the end and the shorter ones in the middle. But I love it. I love that I don't have to mess with any glue or even put on any mascara. So I really recommend these. And if you've ever been concerned with putting on the lashes underneath your eyes, I think if you do it correctly, you won't even feel them, because I don't feel them at all. Like there's nothing. It's not sticky, it's not itchy. I really love these. I recommend them.